With just 100 free AI credits, raw footage can be turned into a mind-blowing anime masterpiece. No expensive software, no animation skills, just pure AI magic. What was once a time-consuming process is now automated and profitable. People are making $700 a day doing this. Let's dive in and uncover the secret. To get started, a few tools are needed: a temporary email for free trials, a video to anime converter, and a video editor. CapCut is a great choice, easy to use, completely free and watermark-free. All necessary links found in the video description, so no need to search for them. Now, where do the video clips come from? High-quality movie scenes are key, and there are plenty of sources. Some Chinese platforms like Douyin or Xiaohongshu work well, but TikTok is a great option for English clips. The trick is finding a clear, high-quality video that matches the anime aesthetic. Once a perfect clip is found, simply copy the link. One click, and it's ready to download. Downloading the video without watermarks is easy. Paste the copied link into a watermark-free TikTok downloader, hit download, and save the video. Now, it's time for the magic, converting it into anime. This is where LensGo AI comes in. This tool transforms any video into anime style. It's a paid tool, but every new account gets 100 free credits, allowing conversion of up to 5 seconds of video at a time. Since only 5-second clips can be converted at once, the original video must be split into small parts before uploading. Time to use CapCut or another video editor. The aspect ratio should be set to 9:16, perfect for YouTube Shorts and TikTok videos. The downloaded video is added to the timeline, and the playhead moved to the 5-second mark. A quick split, and the first clip is ready. Deleting the extra part keeps things organized before exporting the first segment. Naming it A works fine. Now, here's an important part: bringing back the deleted section. Clicking undo restores the full video, and then the next 5-second segment is split and saved as B. This process continues, cutting out multiple 5-second clips. For a 1-minute anime video, 12 separate clips are needed. It might seem like a lot, but once the process is understood, it's quick and easy. Staying organized with proper naming helps keep the workflow smooth and efficient. Once all the clips are ready, they'll seamlessly come together to form a stunning anime-style video. With the clips ready, LensGo AI is used again. Signing up with a temporary email gives another 100 free credits, which means more free conversions. After logging in, the Ghibli anime style is selected and the first clip is uploaded. Clicking Generate begins the transformation. Within minutes, the anime version of the clip is ready to download. The results? Absolutely stunning. This process is repeated for each 5-second clip until all are converted. If free credits run out, a new temp email provides another 100 credits to continue for free. Once all clips are converted, it's time to join them together into a smooth anime video. Back to CapCut. Importing all anime clips and arranging them in the correct order is the next step. Selecting all clips together and pressing Alt+G or right-clicking to create a compound clip merges them into one seamless video. This simplifies the next steps. But here's something crucial: audio copyright issues. The last thing anyone wants is a copyright claim ruining all that hard work. The first step: extract the original audio from the video. Right-clicking on the video and selecting Extract Audio does the trick. Now, how do you remove background music while keeping the voices? The solution is a vocal remover tool. The link in the description leads to a free online tool that separates vocals from music. Upload the extracted audio, wait a few seconds, and boom! A clean voice track is ready. This ensures the dialogue stays crisp while eliminating any unwanted sounds. Once the vocals are isolated, they can be enhanced or modified for a more professional touch. With clean audio ready, CapCut is used again. The old audio track is deleted and the new voice-only audio is added. Want it to sound even better? Using the voice changer tool and selecting energetic gives the video a fresh, engaging feel. Next, any unwanted subtitles need to be removed. This is done by simply cropping the frame inside CapCut. Adjusting the crop ensures a clean and professional look. To add a cinematic touch, the clip is duplicated and the second layer is given a blur effect. Then, the scale is increased to 180%, creating that cool depth effect seen in many anime edits. Almost done, but one last detail: captions. Auto-generated captions make videos more engaging and easier to follow. Clicking Generate Captions, choosing a cool text template, and adjusting the size makes the video pop. This video is ready to be uploaded to YouTube Shorts or TikTok, and with the right strategy, it can go viral and start making money. That's it. A simple step-by-step process to create anime movies using free tools. Anyone can start doing this and turn it into an automated YouTube business, generating real income. If this guide blew your mind, smash that like button, hit subscribe for more insane content, and drop a comment below. Ready for more AI-powered hacks that can take your creativity to the next level? Stay tuned. This is just the beginning.